Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to create a new partition on Windows. First, right-click on the Windows Start menu button and click on Disk Management. Locate your primary storage volume layout that you want to split, right-click on it, and select Shrink Volume. Enter the specific amount of space you want to take from the main drive in megabytes, and click the Shrink button. You will now see a new black bar labeled Unallocated. Right-click and select New Simple Volume. Click Next, specify the volume size parameters, and hit Next again. Assign an available drive letter from the drop-down selection and click Next. Choose your preferred file system format rule. Windows usually use NTFS. Label the partition name and click Next. Review your changes and click Finish to generate your new drive partition automatically. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.